Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to change your Gmail or your Google account name. To know how to do this, you need just to follow us step by step. First, you have to get an email on Gmail app. So we will open Gmail like this. After that, in this page, you will have this sign here. You will click. When you click on that sign, you will click on this window of manage your Google account. Here in this page, you will find this window of personal info, name, email, phone, address, and you will click here. After that, in this page, you will find this bar of name. You will click here. And then here in this page, you will go to this window of your name. And you can change your name in the way you want, as you see. And when you change your name, you will find here and register like this, save like this. You will click here on save. Also, if you want to change your nickname here, you will click on this sign and you can add any nickname you want in that window, for example like this. And as you see here, who can see your name? Anyone can see this info when they communicate with you or view content you create in Google services. So here you will change or you will add your nickname, and then we click on save to save it like that. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video helped you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.